Question number 2 that came up through all the tutorials for our 3D flowers is, can I please see the bottoms? And I didn't get that far. So this is the bottom of the very first one. You can see there's a little bit of glue there, but once I pop it into this, there's no seeing anything. And I'd also use black glue in there because of this one as well. So black hides everything, so that just works out really well. So I could hang that on a wall, no problem. With this one, I've got to be carried away with the glue, as you do with a big fatty. You don't know how much glue you're going to need, and you can see there's lots of extra here. If it gets in the way of your, perhaps it's over the edge, which this one is a little bit on this side, then all you need to do is just slice it off like cheese. And it will all fit. Pull it off and away you go. Dead easy. While they are wobbly hands, it's okay. So then when you look at that now, it just fits straight in. So any issue about being too far up has gone away. So I'm really happy with this method. I'm going to use it on the pot. That's the next question.